in the car because we are gonna go fridge hunting. Since we have a new kitchen, it requires a new fridge. Well, it doesn't really, like, you know, the fridge is okay, but it's a bit old and it's rubbish. So we need a new one so that, you know, everything's new beginnings. It'll be more inspired to cook and be in your kitchen. So let's go fridge searching today. Fridge shopping. Let's go. You don't really need a water dispenser.
No, I don't.
Maybe this?
This one? This one?
Let me see.
This one's a bit smaller. I feel like that's enough space for us.
You don't need a big one. Or this one.
This one is nice.
Which is which? So guys, no luck. Why? Because no luck. Why? Because none of those fridges that we wanted were available to collect on the same day. And yes, so yeah, we need to go to another shop and look for another fridge. Maybe we wanted to get something that we could collect on the same day, because what's the point of waiting? No, if you can get it today, then why not get it today? So let's do the search again. Hi everyone, and we're back. He's my superhero. Do you like your headband? Okay, so for today, well, so we have a visitor. Ta-da! See that big box? Yes, that's our fridge. Well, we had an epic fail in finding a fridge in the actual shop like 2 weeks ago. And then we ended up ordering online. So yes, it just arrived today and we are gonna do the fridge unboxing game. In 3, in 2, and 1. Ka-cha!
Don't put this on your vlog.
Why? Oh, status update.
You get dislikes.
I don't care. That's real life. People make mistakes. So, we are wrapping the fridge again.
No one cares.
I care. Because you ordered the wrong thing. It's a white fridge instead of a silver one. We wanted a silver one. And we ordered a white one. Yeah. So, the boxing of the unboxing and the wrapping of the unwrapping. Next time, game. Hello, baby. I know, I got the wrong fridge. So after a few days, someone decided to keep the fridge. So we're gonna have a white fridge now. So we'll give you a fridge tour soon. So yes, this is the fridge. The white fridge. The one that arrived 3 days ago and was living in the hallway for 3 days because we were waiting for a silver one in exchange of this one, but finally we settled for it. Contemplated for days and we'll settled for the white fridge. Congratulations, white fridge, you won. This is the logic. Hello. So this is the fridge. Just like the usual fridge, we have the egg tray and some other stuff. We have here the garlic, the marmalades, the milk, the juice, some condiments, sauces, and then inside here we have leftovers in the Tupperware. And then we have the yogurt, lunchbox, we have bread, beer, veg, and the fruits. Yeah. Typically, it's towards the end of the week, so we have nothing much left on the fridge because our groceries will come on Monday. So yes, and then on the next door, today in the freezer door, those are the frozen goods. There's no need for me to go through it. There's just like frozen meat. Yes, frozen peas, mixed veg. That's what she's saying. In baby language. Right, so yes, that's the new fridge. It's very wide. Okay, and also we have a new thing in the kitchen. In my previous vlogs, I've told you about the tiling in the wall, and it was done today. Ta-da! See? White tiles. Even better, isn't it? It needs to be grouted though, but yeah, not a lot of work to be done anymore. Just the grouting and stuff, and then we're done. That's the kitchen. That's the kitchen now. So yes, finally we have the fridge. That's for our fridge adventures. And we have our tiling complete. And the baby is very noisy. And that's for today's vlog. Why are you so hyper? Okay, so yes. Shall we say goodbye now? Okay, so that's it for today. Bye-bye. See you soon. God bless. Peace out.